Winder Controls Australia have developed a gravity feed system for safe personnel recovery in the event of a power loss or a control system malfunction. A standalone control system and generator is utilised to ensure the gravity feed system is isolated from any malfunctions or power loss with the winder. This arrangement ensures that personnel recovery operations are conducted in a safe and controlled manner without exposing trapped or recovery personnel to any additional risks. The gravity feed system relies on the drum, brake calipers and piping to the calipers to be fully functional. However, all other winder components and systems are assumed to be inoperable. The gravity feed system allows the conveyance to be lowered at a controlled speed of between 0.7 metres a second and 1 metre a second to enable personnel to be safely evacuated at an underground level. The primary application for the gravity feed system is single rope drum winder. However, this is able to be employed on other hoisting systems where the conveyances are not balanced. Winder Controls Australia have also developed a system for safe personnel recovery in the event of a power loss or a winder control system malfunction for a standard friction winder. The pony drive system is capable of bidirectional travel to enable personnel to be evacuated safely at either the surface or any underground level. The pony drive system relies on the drum, brake calipers and piping to the calipers to be fully functional. However, all other winder components and systems are assumed to be inoperable. The pony drive system is engaged when required by an internal tooth-ring gear fixed to the friction winder and pinion gear fixed to an emergency drive. Once the direction of travel is specified by the operator, the lowering or raising of the conveyance will begin at a controlled rate of between 0.25 metres a second and 0.5 metres a second. As per the gravity feed, the pony drive is a standalone system, complete with a dedicated power supply to ensure personnel recovery can be conducted safely without requiring power to be restored. Winder Controls Australia developed the gravity feed and pony drive personnel recovery systems locally in Australia, after recognising the need to provide a fit-for-purpose system that would allow personnel to be recovered in a safe, controlled and predictable manner. Without a system in place for personnel recovery, the mines are forced to use primitive or unsafe recovery methods. These methods often required equipment to be sourced off-site and exposed both the recovery and trapped personnel to additional risks, not to mention the delay in effecting the recovery. Winder Controls Australia worked with the New South Wales Mines Department, independent verifiers and stakeholders to develop a system designed specifically for Australian mining regulations. This collaborative approach allowed a safe and effective emergency personnel recovery system to be developed. The system is SIL 2 compliant and has the capability to be design registered in conjunction with the existing design registered system. Further to the local design, Winder Controls Australia conducted extensive testing at their Glendenning facility, as they do for all systems where the safety of personnel is at stake. Being a local supplier, Winder Controls Australia are able to conduct client testing and training prior to the equipment being deployed. Further to this, their local service department allows Winder Controls Australia to stand behind their products and offer ongoing support and service after the initial installation and commissioning.